How to scan items in Zoho Books. Need to scan receipts or items in Zoho Books? Here's the easy step-by-step guide on how you can do that. So start by opening the Zoho Books mobile app. Go to the Expenses tab. So look for the Expenses tab in here. And then under this, click on New. And then go ahead and tap the camera icon to launch the scanner. You can capture receipts or scan barcodes for inventory items. Point your camera at the receipt or barcode. Zoho Books uses OCR to extract details like vendor, date, and amount. Review the auto-filled fields, edit vendor, category, or amount if needed to ensure accuracy. Tap Save and the scanned item is now recorded in Zoho Books as expense or inventory entry. Scanning items in Zoho Books is quick for freelancers and small businesses. For bulk inventory, CSV imports are more efficient.